Wanna have fun, a piece of cake? It's time to play!
Learn and learn ABCs. C.
Let's get started. Something red. Could those be legs? Oh, wow! Those are two big eyes looking at me. Yep, they're definitely legs. Oh, that looks like a claw. And more legs. I think I know.
Crab.
Crab starts with the letter C. Next one. That's something pink. Nothing there. This one is tricky. More pink. Oh, I think I know.
Cake.
Cake starts with the letter C. Okay, this is the last one. What could that be? Something yellow. And more yellow. Oh, I think I know now. Do you know what this is?
Crayon.
Crayon starts with the letter C. Can you remember all of the things we discovered that begin with the letter C? Crab, cake, and crayon. You did great. Bye for now.
Hello out there, I'm Calvin, and today is the letter C. You get it? Down by the ABC. As always say, I'm Calvin, and that's Carla. Hello. And Cash. Howdy, y'all. And that's Connie, Crane. Hi. How do I do? And this is here, Captain Crane.
Hello, everyone.
How did they let them meet me? And finally, we have Chelsea the baby chinchilla.
Hi!
And today, let's talk about the Cookie Monster's foodie truck, the birthday cake.
Birthday? Me like birthdays?
Yes, because Black Rhino Ranger's birthday is coming soon.
Really?
Oh, really? Well, let's start it for this Sesame Street segment video called Cookie Monster's Foodie Truck, the birthday cake. Hit it!
Do you like food? Me like food.
Do you know what time it is? I think it's Cookie Monster's Foodie Truck.
Cookie Monster Gonger.
Oh, look, it's our friend Samara.
Samara.
Hi, can you help me? I want to surprise my friends with the cake to celebrate their birthday. Can you
Celebrate?
please make one for us?
I love
Of course, we can
celebrate.
help you because we are
Monster Foodies.
Okay, Chef Gonger, what we need.
I need to get a recipe back.
Sugar, flour, butter,
Uh-oh.
Just
What?
make some more eggs.
Eggs. I think I got it. You need some eggs.
They do. Just we got to see to believe. Road trip.
Okay. I can't believe that's when I'm going. We're going on a trip today. Let's buckle the seatbelts. To the farm. Oh, McDonald had a farm.
To the farm.
Ooh.
Hello, Miss Farmer.
Hi, guys. Have you come for your fresh eggs?
Whoa.
Eggs grow.
That's
We
Miss
know
Farmer.
seedy plants.
This isn't a plant farm, it's a chicken farm.
Chicken?
Chicken? Chicken starts with the letter C.
These
How
are
can I
hens.
ever show you?
Hens are female chickens and they lay the eggs.
This is called a coop. The hens
Ooh.
use the nesting boxes to
Oh,
lay
really?
their eggs.
Well, the eggs.
Most hens lay one egg a day.
That's exactly where I am, Captain.
Collect the
But
eggs.
who's next?
Eggs can come in
Ooh.
different colors.
I know
Some
what.
are white, some
Better
are
taste it
brown.
like that chocolate cake.
Be light
You like chocolate cake, Cash?
We package
No.
them up in egg
I don't
cartons.
want to eat chocolate cake.
and then we
That's
sell
really
them at
poison.
farm stand.
Right,
Eggs are
Cash.
healthy food.
Dogs
People
don't
can cook
eat
eggs in lots of
chocolate
different ways.
cake.
Scrambled,
Yuck.
hard boiled, sunny side up.
Sunny side up?
Eggs can be used in recipes to make things.
You ready for Easter eggs? No, because it's birthdays, not Easter.
You.
Sorry about that.
We're going to need to return. You go get that.
Cake? We got the eggs. What else we need to make cake?
Oh, I gotta read the recipe.
Ooh, recipe.
Okay, yeah. Flour.
Flour.
Okay, there we go.
Puff, puff.
Sugar.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And a little bit of baking powder.
A little bit of baking powder.
Ooh.
Butter, yes, sir. Butter. Here we go.
Butter it up.
Come on, sir. Egg. Where the egg? Oh, yeah, egg.
Milk, out of the milk. Come on,
Yes,
get the
milk.
milk.
Here we go. Milk.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and a splash of
Some vanilla.
Oh. Chinchill it up.
It's gonna be a great cake.
There you go. Yeah.
Ta-da.
Put them in the oven.
In the oven.
Oven. Well, make a wish.
Boy, cake look delicious.
It's ready.
Hey, Samara.
It's ready.
Your birthday cake is ready. Me going to send it to you now.
You
Oh.
don't have to do that, Cookie Monster.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you going to come pick it up?
No, that surprise birthday cake is for you, Cookie Monster. Surprise!
What does it taste
But me birthday not until next week.
C is for cookie.
Oh boy, me no can wait to taste me cake. Oh yeah.
Gotta need a piece of cake. Looking delicious. Hold on tight though. Now that's crummy.
Just the right amount of eggs. Yeah, what a special treat for my almost birthday celebration. Happy Yummy Monsters to the rescue. We make yummy food just for you.
Well, that's it. See you on the letter D.
Thanks for watching.
Easter! Thanks for watching.